we gon' all shine, we gon' all shine, we gon'
Yo, today I'm gonna be doing an install. I'm gonna be installing a Mopar Cola intake up on my Dodge Challenger RT shaker, and this is the unboxing. It's a little dusty because it's used, but that's the intake and stuff. I'm not gonna be using this box because it's a shaker, and I got an extra hole right here. So, here's the tube. A few cobwebs in it. Oh, y'all saw that? Dang, that thing dusty. But yeah, it's kind of dusty. I'll probably give it. I think I'm gonna give it a little wipe down. Okay, guys, I gave it a quick wipe down. I gotta remove my shaker because I gotta get to the screws back there. I'm gonna be removing the shaker scoop so I can get to the clamps that are underneath the shaker scoop. So if you guys ever need to do an oil change, right here is how you do the oil change. The little cap to the right side, you take that off and that's where you can reach your oil. Okay guys, loosened up all the screws. I'm ready to lift it up. Got one more, hold on. There we go. And there, man, this is dusty. Look at all that dirt. But right here, that's the bracket for the shaker, in case you guys ever need to remove it. And I'll be loosening up all these clamps and get this scoop off. Camera went dead. I had to use my phone, guys. So. The socket that I just pulled off is the air sensor. I had difficulty twisting it off because there is a little clamp holding it, so I had to pop the clamp with this little screwdriver, and then I was able to twist it off. And boom goes the dynamite. Alright, everything's removed. I'm ready to start installing. Okay. The aluminum piece off? Put it on this one. I like the aluminum, look good, so. Where are my tools? I'm looking for my 10mm socket so I can loosen up all the nuts. And there. I'm gonna screw all of these, and now I'm gonna loosen this up and get ready to take this one off. The plastic one came with the shaker, so go ahead and take this off the air filter box. Alright, it's kind of difficult to get it up out of the filter. So I pried it loose a little bit and pop. There we go. Got it out. Yeah, I was gonna throw it in the box, but I was like, let me see if it'll fit in here. No. Just set it to the side for now. Ooh, shiny. Let me get this up in here. It took me a minute. I had to realize which way it goes in. because you want all the holes to line up. So it goes in a certain way. As you can see, I was lining up all the holes as I try to get the filter on it. I'm tightening the filter up right now with the clamps. Bam. Nice and sturdy. Now I'm going to be installing the rest of the bolts.
Screws back in. Try getting this back together.
You don't want to over tighten them because it's inside the little rivets that's inside the plastic. You don't want them to start spinning and loosen up. Had to wipe off the intake a little bit, make sure I don't get no dust inside of it. And here I slid the sensor inside of there. It was a rubber grommet. I just slid inside of it. And there's perfect fit. It was a little difficult getting it around the neck of this part of the tube, but eventually I got it on. I was going to use my flathead, but I realized I don't want to poke a hole inside of it. And here, had to force it in a little bit because of whatever was stopping it from reaching all the way to it. And right here, I was tightening up the tube that leads to the air box from the shaker. For some reason, it wasn't even tightened up when I first took off the shaker. Scoop. And there. I just lined up the dirt circles so I could keep it in the same place that it was in. That's why I didn't clean it off, because I didn't want to lose the rings that was on it. So I could line it up perfect. With a quick little wipe down. It is a lot of dust on it from all the rain and water that comes inside of it. And there, putting the screw back on, and be careful tighten up the bolts that go on top of it, the nuts I mean, and because it can crack, so don't over tighten them, hand tighten them. And there, she's ready. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And if you liked the video, subscribe. More videos coming soon. You can follow me on Instagram at TonyBoy27_. And thanks for stopping in. Bye.